When a friend of mine asked me to help him with some design ideas on how to customize his Yamaha SCR 950, I did not have any idea what bike he was talking about. Which caused him to respond, "What, you don't know the forgotten Scrambler?" The SCR 950 was an air-cooled V2 4-stroke Scrambler-style motorcycle which Yamaha produced between 2017 and 2018. It has a maximum torque of 79.5 Nm at 8,100 RPM, and Yamaha claimed the horsepower output is 51 HP at 5,500 RPM. When it was introduced, the bike was sold in the US for $8,699. The SCR 950's low center of gravity and friendly power delivery makes it easy to also ride the bike on dirt gravel roads, but it clearly has its off-road limitations. Regardless, the SCR 950 represents a great platform to build a customized cafe racer scrambler. So let's get started with the build. As a start, we will remove the original rear fender, rear turn signal, the license plate holder, and the tail light. Next, we will remove the original mirrors as well as the front fender and the front turn signals. In the next step, we replace the original handlebar with a lower version one which reduces the handlebar height by about 1.5 inches. For the new lower handlebar, we add integrated front turn signals and new lower clip-on mirrors. Now in the next step we install a higher and smaller, more motocross style front fender. For the rear, we shorten the original rear fender and add a new LED, vintage style, brake and taillight on top of the fender. The original seat cushion gets replaced with a vintage brown one, and we also install matching new vintage brown handlebar grips. Time to make some color modifications. We update the design of the side cover, and the original tank gets painted in a copper-based paint that creates a blue patina theme look and gets covered by several layers of clear coat. The original tires are replaced with Bridgestone Batlax Adventure Cross Axe 41, which also provide a bigger profile. In addition to the changed paint, we will black powder coat the headlight ring, the top of the front fork, the air intake cover, the battery bracket, the footrest, and the exhaust heat covers. To match the rest of the bike, we also black powder coat the original rims. Finally, we replace the original exhaust muffler with a shorter custom-built one by Aaron's Custom Exhausts. As an alternative to the dark blue patina theme look color, here are also some other options, using a lighter blue, a clear metal look, a dark gray one, and a pure black one. This concludes today's design ideas and modifications of the Yamaha SCR 950. You can download a detailed description of all modification and parts used for our build via the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.